So here we're going to look at the laws of indices. Now, indices are the little powers that you see next to the number, and when we multiply with indices, we add the powers. So think of this as being 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 to the power of 5. And then think of 3 to the power of 4 as being 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And when we times those together, all together, we have all of these 3's multiplying together, which is the same as 3 to the power of 9. So when we times, we can just add the powers. So that numerator, the top of that fraction, becomes 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2. And when we divide, we take away the powers. So 3 to the power of 7 would be our overall answer. When we have a power of a power, like this top question, p squared to the power of 5, we multiply those powers together. So that would be p to the power of 10. The reason why is we're saying p squared times another p squared times another p squared times another p squared and times a fifth p squared. And altogether we know that we would add those powers up and get p to the power of 10. So whichever way you choose to do it, we're going to get p to the power of 10. For this one, 12x to the power of 7 y cubed divided by 6x cubed y. Now I would choose to write this as a fraction just so we can really see each of those terms, and we divide each bit in turn. So 12 divided by 6 we can do, that's 2. X to the power of 7 divided by x cubed, we take away the powers, so x to the power of 4. And then think of this y on the bottom here as having a power of 1. We don't put the power of 1, but that's what it has. Y cubed divided by y1. Again, we're going to take away those powers, so we're left with y squared, and that would be our answer for that one. So now m cubed times m to the power of 4, we know that we're going to add those powers together. So m to the power of 7, it's quite a nice one. And down here we've got 5np cubed all to the power of 3. So two ways of doing this. Everything in the bracket needs to be cubed. You could say it's 5np cubed times 5np cubed times 5np cubed. Or you can just cube everything in the brackets individually. But either way, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, because 5 times 5 is 25, times that by 5 is 125. Then you've got n times n times n, which is n cubed. Remember, each of them has a little 1, if that helps. And then you've got p to the power of 9, because we're doing p cubed times p cubed times p cubed. So that's our final answer for that one. Those are the laws of indices, summed up very quickly. Let me know in the comments if you've got any further questions.